Lots of companies will give you asset protection. Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. Spencer Williams here, online business and sales coach, Canadian entrepreneur, and we're back with another lesson in Secrets of the Wealthy, where every single Wednesday we meet to talk about money, to talk about wealth, and to educate you guys on strategies so that we can start building wealth together. Now, this whole entire series is my favorite of all of them because when you guys have money, you can start businesses and get coaching, and I want to make you wealthy because it makes me wealthy too. But I can only tell you how. You still have to show up. You still have to take the actions every single day. Secrets of the Wealthy with Spencer Williams, where every week we meet on our money so we can get our money right and build our net worth. Make sure you bookmark this, like the video, comment, subscribe. It's free and it helps more people get the information that they need. So let's jump right into it with a list of assets. We're talking about assets, liabilities, and asset protection. To start, we have real estate, your house. We have real estate, income property. We have businesses, stocks, bonds, and GICs, precious metals, cash and savings, Bitcoin, your retirement accounts, and even yourself can be an asset to you if you use it to be. Now over to our list of liabilities, we have your home's mortgage if you pay, school loans, car loans, credit card debts, any type of retail debts, consumer spending is a liability, and yourself if you let it be. Now, when it comes to doing these things, there's a few formulas. They're very basic. Assets minus liabilities equals your net worth, and your income minus your expenses is how much cash flow you have every month. And when we're looking for asset protection, a very basic model would be these three companies here. You want a passive company on top that's a holding company, you want a passive investment company, and you want a management company that's going to be your active company. Management company is your active company, passive holding company, and another passive investing company so you can diversify and have more asset protection.